Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable alert when Clipboard accessed in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and here click on more privacy settings, and in more privacy settings, now go back and here click on additional privacy controls, and here you will be able to see a alert when clipboard accessed button. So if you want to enable alert when clipboard accessed, then turn on this button, and if you want to disable alert when clipboard accessed, then tap on this button again to turn it back off. So with this button you can enable or disable alert when clipboard accessed in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.